Hi, my name is Brian Norton with the In-Data Project at Easterseals Crossroads. Today we're going to be taking a look at the CoughDrop app, and Anna Leung is going to be leading us through that, so let's go ahead and take a look.
Hi, this is Anna Leung from Easterseals Crossroads. This tech tip is about CoughDrop AAC app. AAC stands for Augmentative and Alternative Communication. Yes, CoughDrop is an AAC communication and support tool. It can be available on many platforms, such as an Apple iOS device, Android mobile device, Windows. You can download it from an Amazon account. You can also use it on the Google Chrome browser. The website you can access or try to learn more about it is mycoughDrop.com. You'll find that there's a sign-in button at the upper right corner that I'm going to show you later. That you can find basic access for free. Basic access means it's a little bit limited. If you want full access, you can try out 2 months for free first, and then after that, you pay $6 a month. You can also pay $200 for lifetime, one-time payment, lifetime access. Some people who need help with the speech use this app together with a supporter or an evaluator. You can also pay $25 to let someone to access the app as an evaluator or a supporter. So let me show you some screenshots from an Android machine first. So on the left side, you'll find that this is the first screen when you open the CoughDrop app after you download it from the Google Play Store. It will prompt you to put in your username, your password, or prompt you to sign up for an account. You don't have to if you just want to try it. Right in the middle, on the right side, you'll find a link called Basic Access. So once you tap on it, then you'll find that you're presented with like 13 to 14 boards, very basic boards. Every name is followed by a set of numbers. So the first number means the number of rows, and second number means number of columns. So I picked to demonstrate in this tech tip is the needs one. So this is the needs board. It has 4 columns and 2 rows, and whatever button you want to click on, it will say that phrase. You will also find an edit box, elongated edit box on top. You can click on it, and then you can just type the phrase that you want, and then it will speak it right away. On the side, on the right side, you'll find some other additional features, such as a yes/no board, an inflections board, a keyboard feature, if someone who knows how to type, and also a social board. So the next screen, you'll find that I picked a social board. So phrases are separated in different categories, so very self-explanatory. So people can try out different ones and it will say those things. And for someone who can only answer yes or no, you can actually show a yes/no board like this one. So if you just want to ask, are you cold? Are you sad, or whatever, and you just want them to answer yes or no, this will be a board that is very easy to use. It can also show an on-screen keyboard if that person knows how to use it. So these are the Android screenshots I want to show you, but next I want to show you how it shows on the Google Chrome browser. So let me just switch to Google Chrome. So this is its website. At the upper right corner, you'll find a button not signed in. So once you click on it, instead of selecting sign in and register, you can just click on basic access. And the same thing, it has a set of boards that you want to pick from. If I scroll further down, you'll find that you can even change to different languages. So let's say I'm going to pick sensory needs board. So once I select it, then I am presented with 7 buttons. So let's say I just want to say to my supporter, I need a weighted blanket. So I click on that one.
I need a weighted blanket.
So right there it shows. And then on the top part, the same thing, there's an elongated edit box. And then on the far right, there's an X button. So let's say I want to clear this edit box. I click on that X button. Then it's cleared. So I can just start putting or click on something else. So let's say this one.
I need noise canceling headphones.
That's pretty cool. So now let's say if I want to put in some additional phrases that I will always use. I can use this feature. I click on that drop down arrow, then this pop-up box showing. So I click on phrases, and then I can go into this box and then type in some frequently used phrases. Then I hit add phrase, or I add one more. So once I add in, I hit add phrase again. So I close it. So I click on drop down arrow again. So those 2 phrases show up. So let's say I hit this one.
I would like to have more ice cream, please.
There you go. So then I can make it speak that phrase I recorded.
Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the InData Project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana.